Healthy eating often feels like a full-time job. From meal planning and grocery shopping to prepping and cooking, it can easily consume more time than we expect. And that's where meal delivery services like EatClean step in, promising to make nutritious meals more accessible and hassle-free. But is EatClean really the easiest way to eat healthy, or is it just another service with big promises and an expensive price tag? Well, let's dive in and find out. First, let's get to know what EatClean is all about. At its core, EatClean is a meal delivery service aimed at health-conscious individuals who want to maintain a nutritious diet without spending hours in the kitchen. The meals are fully prepped by chefs, and all you need to do is heat them up. No chopping, cooking, or cleanup required. EatClean markets itself as a solution for those of you who are busy but still want to prioritize healthy eating. Whether you're working late, juggling family obligations, or simply don't have the energy to cook after a long day, EatClean claims to make healthy eating more convenient. But what really sets EatClean apart is its focus on clean, organic ingredients and well-based nutrition, which could be a game changer for anyone looking to eat healthy without sacrificing taste or quality. So how easy is it really to get started with EatClean? In a word, simple. Signing up is straightforward. You head to their website, choose a meal plan based on your dietary preferences or health goals, and pick your delivery schedule. The whole process feels streamlined, which is a relief compared to some meal services that require you to jump through hoops just to place an order. Once you sign up, the meals are delivered straight to your door in insulated packaging. Each meal comes ready to heat, so you just pop it in the microwave or oven. The portions are pre-measured, taking the guesswork out of eating healthily. One thing I appreciated about EatClean is the flexibility. You can skip weeks, pause your subscription, or switch meals easily through their app. If you're someone who travels a lot or just needs a break from meal delivery services, this level of control is a big bonus. There's no commitment pressure, which makes it feel more like a helpful service rather than an obligation. Now let's talk about the food. Arguably the most important part. If you're like me, you've probably wondered if meal delivery services can really make healthy food that's tasty, not bland or boring. But EatClean does a pretty solid job in this department. Their meals offer a wide variety of choices, whether you're vegan, paleo, keto, or just looking for wholesome, balanced meals. Each week, you can choose from a rotating menu, and while the selection isn't massive, it's varied enough to keep things interesting. You're not going to get stuck eating the same grilled chicken and steamed broccoli 5 days in a row, unless that's your thing, of course. Taste-wise, the meals are flavorful without feeling overly processed or heavy. Some dishes, like the roasted salmon with quinoa and vegetables, taste like something you'd get from a health-conscious restaurant. Others, like the turkey meatballs with zoodles, feel more like a comfort food makeover. That said, not every meal is a home run. Some of the more adventurous dishes, let's say, think cauliflower risotto or beet hummus, may be an acquired taste, but overall the meals are satisfying and feel fresh. If you're wondering whether EatClean meals are truly nutritious, the answer is yes, at least from what I could gather based on the ingredient list and nutritional breakdowns. The company emphasizes organic produce and sustainably sourced proteins, and each meal is designed to be well balanced. You'll typically find a healthy ratio of proteins, fats, and carbs, which makes it easy to maintain a balanced diet without overthinking it. However, it's important to note that while EatClean can help you stay on track, it's not a miracle worker. If you're looking for drastic health improvements or weight loss, you still need to combine these meals with regular exercise and a well-rounded lifestyle. EatClean is more like a supportive tool rather than a complete transformation package. When it comes to pricing, EatClean sits in the mid to high range compared to other meal delivery services. You can expect to pay around $9 to $12 per meal, depending on the plan you choose and the number of meals per week. This means you're looking at roughly $60 to $120 per week for meals, of course, depending on how many you order. On the surface, that might sound like a lot, especially if you're used to cooking at home on a budget, but when you break it down, the pricing isn't unreasonable for the convenience and the quality of the ingredients. Organic, pre-portioned, chef-prepared meals come with a price tag, and when you factor in the time saved from meal prepping, shopping, and cleaning, it feels like a fair deal. That said, EatClean might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. If you're looking to cut on food expenses, it's worth considering whether the time and convenience trade-off justifies the cost. However, if you want some help lightening the burden on your wallet, you can take advantage of the best discount in the description below for EatClean, just to help you get started on things. A major plus for EatClean is the user experience, from sign-up to delivery. I found the website and app intuitive with clear meal descriptions and easy navigation. The delivery process was smooth as well. Meals arrived on time and were well packaged in insulated containers. This meant I didn't have to worry about rushing home to get the meals into the fridge right away. Customer service is another area where EatClean seems to do well. While I personally didn't have any issues that required contacting support, a quick scan of reviews suggests that their customer service team is responsive and helpful when problems arise. If there's a mistake with an order or a delivery, EatClean seems to resolve issues quickly, which is always a good sign for a delivery service like this. Moreover, there are several notable pros to using EatClean. It's highly convenient and easy to use, offering flexible scheduling and a variety of meal options to suit different lifestyles. The meals are chef-prepared using organic, nutritious ingredients, and each one is pre-portioned and calorie-controlled, which makes maintaining a balanced diet simple. For those with dietary preferences or restrictions, EatClean offers plenty of options to accommodate specific needs. Perhaps one of the biggest benefits, though, is the time it saves. No more grocery shopping, cooking, or cleaning up after meals. However, there are a few cons to consider. As with most things, EatClean's pricing is on the higher end, which may not work for everyone, especially if you're on a tighter budget. While the variety of meals is solid, it may not be broad enough if you have very specific tastes or dietary needs. Additionally, not all meals may hit the mark when it comes to flavors, so your experience could vary depending on your personal preferences. So is EatClean the easiest way to eat healthy? Well, for anyone who has a busy schedule or who simply dislikes the time-consuming nature of meal prepping, EatClean offers an excellent balance of convenience, quality, and nutrition. The meals are designed with health in mind, and the flexibility of the service makes it easy to fit into just about any lifestyle. That said, the price point might be a sticking point for some. While EatClean's meals are reasonably priced for what you're getting, they're not a budget option. If you're someone who values time and convenience over cost, it's likely worth the investment, but if you're trying to keep food costs down, you might need to weigh the benefits carefully. And of course, if you want some help with the pricing, you can take advantage of the discount in the description below to help you get started. In the end, EatClean is a great tool for those looking to simplify their healthy eating routine without sacrificing quality. It's not perfect, but it's a strong contender for anyone who wants nutritious meals with minimal effort. And that just about wraps up today's video, folks. If you enjoyed what you saw here, then consider liking and subscribing to show your support. And if you have any further questions, then just leave them in the comments below. At any rate, though, thank you so much for watching, as always, and until next time, do take care.